stop attaching invoice PDFs to Claude. I tested it on 1,000 real invoices, and the direct upload hit 67% row accuracy on merged cells. If you're processing invoices, bank statements, or supplier catalogs at scale and getting weird missing line items, this is why. Most tutorials cheer that Claude reads PDFs natively now, so nobody tells you tables break. I'll show you the 8-line Python fix that gets you to 98% accuracy at 71% fewer tokens. I'm Lazar. I run this pipeline daily for clients. Let me show you the actual code. Here's the painful scenario. You run a small business or an agency, and you've decided to stop hand-typing supplier invoices. So you wire up Claude, drag the PDF into the prompt, and ask it to extract line items into JSON. First 10 invoices look perfect. You ship it. 2 weeks later, your bookkeeper messages you that the totals don't match. You dig in and find that 1 in 3 invoices has rows missing, quantities swapped, or 2 line items merged into one. And these aren't weird PDFs. They're standard invoices with merged header cells, multi-line descriptions, and subtotal rows. The exact thing Claude should handle. So you blame the model, upgrade to a bigger one, burn more tokens, and the accuracy barely moves. Here's why this happens. When you attach a PDF, Claude processes it as a visual document. For pros, contracts, reports, that's fine. For tables with merged cells or multi-line rows, the vision pass guesses at structure. It sees a wide cell spanning 2 columns and has to decide which column it belongs to. On a clean invoice, that guess is right. On a merged cell invoice with a subtotal row spanning 3 columns, the guess cascades and corrupts every row below it. We measured this on a batch of 1,000 real supplier invoices. Direct PDF upload, 67% row-level accuracy, 14 seconds average latency. That's unusable for accounting. Now the fix. Instead of letting Claude guess at table structure from pixels, you extract the table deterministically first, then send it to Claude as text. The tool is pdfplumber. It's free, and the code is genuinely short. Step 1. Install it. Pip install pdfplumber. Step 2. Open the PDF and pull tables out, page by page. You loop through pdf.pages, call page.extract_tables, and you get back a list of lists, rows and cells, already aligned, because pdfplumber uses the actual vector coordinates in the PDF, not vision. Step 3. Convert each table to CSV. 3 lines with the CSV module, or just join with commas if your cells are clean. Step 4. Build your prompt. Instead of attaching the PDF, you paste the CSV string directly into the message with a short instruction. Here is the invoice table as CSV. Extract line items as JSON with these fields. That's it. 40 lines, including error handling and a retry on the rare page where pdfplumber returns nothing. When pdfplumber returns nothing, that usually means the PDF is a scan, not real text. For those, you fall back to the native PDF upload or run OCR first. But for digitally generated invoices, which is the vast majority of what suppliers send, pdfplumber gets you clean tables. Now the demo. If you're processing invoices, statements, or supplier catalogs at scale and want this kind of pipeline built and running for your business, see what we ship for clients at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next automation breakdown finds you.